Are you also one of them? Do you keep all your earned money in the bank, thinking that this will benefit you in future? If hands, and perhaps it may be a misunderstanding you. Because after depositing the money in the bank, it would have been hoarded for a year. The bank will give 3 to 4% return on this money only if it is difficult. That means if you hold 1000 Ma, you will get 30 rupees to 40 rupees. Just after one full year. But if you keep an eye on India's inflation, today India's inflation has reached 8%. That means every year your bank is losing 4% of my money, but inflation is increasing at 8% per year. That means, the thing which is available for 100 rupees today may cost you up to 108 rupees next year. Indirectly, by increasing your bank account's money by 4%, it is not your benefit but your smile. But apart from the bank, we have only this option. What other way is there where we can invest the money and leave it as our own? Our money should increase with time so that we can keep up with inflation. There are many such methods, not just one or two. Where you invest money once and leave it, and the money will automatically keep increasing. Look, I am not an experienced financier, but I have read as many financial books over the years. As much as I understood the words of successful people, I found a big solution in all of them. Where successful people consider it best to invest their money, NDA is definitely not a bank. Then what effects are we going to know about today? So this video will be very informative, you should watch it carefully. You keep hearing this number 6 every day in the news, etc., that this person has patterned, this company has patterned its own product. He did the concept pattern, but normally people ignore this thing because they do not know what happens after doing the pattern. A pattern is actually a product, an idea where a tourist has the right to a fish time. And without your permission no one can use your pattern.